Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing absolutely fine. How about you? How is everything?
Oh, everything is going great. Thank you so much for asking. How is your day shaping? All good?
Yes, all good. I have completed my house chores, so that was the biggest task of the day. For I
Yes.
mean, just the morning one, and there are many more upcoming. It's already waiting for me. So
Okay.
yes, done with the morning task, and I'm
Mhm.
taking this session, so feeling extremely happy. So yes.
Thank you. Extremely happy to see you back again. Also, it's been long since I saw you. So I was thinking,
Yes.
what happened? She went missing. Did I do something wrong?
Yes, you did
Yes.
something wrong. Your all slots were booked already. So
Oh
how
my
can I
God.
be?
Okay, that was the thing. I was like, okay, was it actually that something happened? Okay.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
But
May-
yes,
But
I couldn't
yeah,
find
I
your
think
slots.
most of them were booked, but then I still have some left because most of them cancel at the last moment. So
Yes.
I get last minute bookings a lot of times. So that's why. Maybe.
Right, right. So luckily I got one.
Exactly. Yes. How is the weather there?
It's fine these days. The weather has been pleasant. No
Mm-hmm.
raining, but yes, it has become a little chilly.
Oh, okay.
You can
How
see that
chilly
I'm
is
wearing a
it?
sweater.
Yeah, that's why I asked how is the
Yes, so
weather.
this chilly. I'm wearing
Oh.
a thick sweater. Can we say heavy or thick sweater?
Oh, it becomes chilly this time, is it? It starts getting chilly around this time.
Yes, always.
And it
On
goes till
after that.
Jan, is it? Jan, Feb?
Jan, March till
Oh,
March. Hmm.
March it becomes hot again, right?
May and April are really hot,
Okay.
and the rest of the months are chilly only. Sometimes slightly chilly, sometimes very chilly. But May and
Mm-hmm.
June are scorching hot.
It's okay. Great. So what kind of weather do you like?
Um, I like moderate weather, not too
Mm-hmm.
chilly, neither too hot. So that kind of
Okay.
weather I like.
Mm-hmm. Great.
Spring is also nice because you
It's
get to see a
beautiful.
lot of flowers blooming around you, so you feel so
Exactly.
good. There is a lot of positivity in the atmosphere. So
Mm-hmm.
that's really great about spring season. Winters, I don't like harsh winters. Nobody likes, I guess, right? So yes, that's the reason. And summers also, we can say scorching hot summer, nobody likes. So somewhere in
Mm,
the middle, moderate weather is just fine.
it's just fine. Great. Okay. So how is everything going? Is your YouTube channel doing good?
Yes, it's all going well. And
Mm-hmm.
it's all about hard work also, right? So
Exactly.
till the time I'll put my hard work on my channel, so I'll get good reach or a good number of subscribers. If I stop doing it, then it will just go down. So
Oh,
that's the
so
thing.
it's like a drastic change, right? Anything can happen at any moment.
Yes. Yes. If you'll
Exactly.
stop posting consistently, so it will take a toll on your number of subscribers and then your views also.
Mm-hmm.
So that's
Okay.
why it's really important for you to be consistent if you're a YouTuber.
Consistent. Exactly. So what is the highest view that you've got till now?
I guess around 1,65,000. I haven't checked
Great.
recently, but a few days ago I've checked. So
Mm-hmm.
one
And how
one
far are
lakh
you with
65.
your subscribers?
It's around 45,000 at the moment.
Oh, great. You're doing so you can see a drastic change from how you were and how you are right now, right?
Yes,
When did
yes.
you
I
start it?
I started in August 2024.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
And
last
never
year.
have I imagined that I'll gain this many subscribers, right?
Yes. So
I just
do you
started it
get
casually,
you just started it casually? Okay, great.
right?
So are you also taking classes like personal classes for the viewers?
I take classes in my WhatsApp groups. We take group classes only.
Okay.
Right.
So
Earlier
what
than
kind
this,
of
I was into one-to-one classes also, but after that, because I was feeling overwhelming with my number of classes and then YouTube and then household chores and everything, so I have reduced it to a great extent, I would say. And now I just conduct classes on my in my WhatsApp groups only, via
Okay.
Google Meet or Zoom. So thrice in a week.
Mm-hmm. So you just go with spoken English classes or you have a particular topic or something of that sort?
We discuss topics. Every day I provide them different topics to discuss with their learners. Apart from that, whenever we take sessions, so that time also we start with a discussion, light discussion, and then we also discuss grammar related topics, one concept a day, and then
Mhm.
vocabulary words. Like that we go.
Okay, great. Yes. So, shall we move on to the session?
Yes, sure.
Is there any particular topic in your mind, or I'll just start off with whatever I have in my mind?
Yes,
I
we
can
can go
start.
forward again. Yes, yes.
Okay, so I have some questions for you. It's just something very different, I guess. Let's just see how it goes. So, the way you grew up, and like when you look at your younger self, there are a lot of changes that you've had throughout your childhood to your adolescent age or your adulthood. So, if you had to tell something to your younger self, what would you do, or what would you tell, and what would
Mhm.
you change?
Yes. So if I meet my younger self, I would tell her that don't shy away from people. Go meet strangers, talk to them, even if just it's a hi or hello, that is also fine. But just push yourself to talk with strangers, because I used to shy away from people, and
Mhm.
I was told this thing that don't talk to strangers and everything, you know. So that was
Mhm.
the thing. So I think because of that, I was lagging behind from others, from my classmates also, because I was very introverted kind of girl, very reserved.
Mhm.
I would rarely speak, not even in Hindi, let alone in English, right? So that was the thing with me. But I really regret not doing that. But it's okay for that time
Mm,
because we were quite young. We were not aware of what is right and what is wrong, right? So that's
exactly.
fine. But growing up, I have realized that we need to face strangers, we need to face challenges also, and this is how we grow in our life. Exposure is
Mm.
really very important. So, not many things I have to tell my younger self because I think I was conditioned well by my parents. So, whatever
Okay.
they felt right, they conditioned me that way. So, those values, those principles were completely ingrained in my mind and in my behavior also. You can see that, right? So, I
Okay.
was grown up in a very well manner, I can say. So, no regrets as such, but yes, I think it depends on phases of life also.
Yes.
When you are a kid, you have to go by your parents' words, right? Whatever
Mm-hmm.
they say, don't talk back and just obey whatever they tell you because they always
Exactly.
think about your good. After
Mm.
that, adolescence age, that time we become really we start talking back to our parents. We don't follow many rules that are set by them, right? So that happens.
Exactly.
We want to live our life on our own terms. That happens,
Mm.
right? So a
Yes.
little regret there. And I would say that for parents, I would say that you should not, uh, what should I say? If you are strict, you should always be strict with your kids, right? If you are lenient, just be lenient throughout, right? Because when you lose that grip, so your children might fall into any bad trap, we can say, right? So
Okay.
if you are strict there, they might feel bad that at that very moment, but it is for their good,
Good.
right? And they'll realize it later.
Mm-hmm.
Be strict always with your kids. That is
Exactly.
what I have felt because my father and my parents were a bit lenient when I was in my graduation. They would also think that my kids have grown up, so let them live their life on their own terms and let them be liberal, let them do whatever they want to do in their life, right? But at times I felt like they should have stopped me doing a few things also, right? Whatever I said, they let me do that. I said I want to go to this college. They said okay. I said I want to do CA. They said okay. In the middle, I said no, I don't want to do it anymore. I'm bored of it. I will take the pressure and everything. And then I said I want to do MBA. They said okay. So they always, I mean, they never said no to me, right? They
Exactly.
always agreed to whatever I said or whatever I demanded. So that
Mm.
shouldn't have happened. I feel,
Okay. So
right?
you realize that when you became a mother.
Uh-huh. Yes. No, no. I mean, a way before this, I've realized this thing.
Okay.
And I told my parents also that you should
Mhm.
have done this differently back then. So,
Exactly.
yes, I feel that we should always be strict with our kids. Not too strict, but when it's time to take decisions, that time we have to be a little strict or a little mindful there. We should not let our kids do anything they want.
They want, exactly. You
Right?
should be lenient, but at the same time strict for certain things.
Yeah, the balance
Right.
should be there.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
Yes.
listen to their thoughts, and then you also have to put forth your thoughts, your perspective there, and then come to a decision at the end.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. I think that is also very correct because my parents also, what they did was they became strict in a way that at the end of the day we should feel like we should be able to go back home and tell them what happened, or we should
Yes.
be in a state where we call them for whatever it is. So for my PG only, I went outside my home, like from my comfort zone. I started living in a hostel. So the only thing that they said is that whatever happens, your parents will be there with you no matter what. So whatever it is, be honest with us and be truthful with us. We'll be
Hmm.
there by you no matter what. So we had that surety that they will be there, whatever we get into. But that
Yes.
doesn't give us the license to get into anything or do anything.
Yes.
Be mindful, but at the same time, if you feel like you're in trouble, they should be the first person you're supposed to call, nobody else.
Hmm.
So I think that's
Right.
something
Right.
that I'll always take in my life,
Uh-huh.
even when I have my own kids. I think that's the
Hmm.
policy that I'll take with my kids also. And that's
Right, and it's
something great.
definitely a yes, and it's a two-way bond, right? If parents are giving you love and respect also matters from parents' end too, and
Exactly.
you have to extend the same kind of respect, or even more, I would say, right?
Mm-hmm.
Respect, love, and everything. This is how your bond will grow over time. But
Exactly.
if any party is lacking there, then there would be destruction.
Exactly, that happens, right? And I think we have to be much more careful with the coming up generation also,
Mhm.
because you don't know how their thinking is, what happens. I think
Mhm.
we'll start adopting the Western thing where at the age of 16 they'll be sent, okay, live on your own. I think that's the best thing that we can do with whatever is happening, it's
Uh-huh.
like we have no voice against them. They are supposed to live their own life. As we grow up, I can see that happening in a lot of generations, right?
It seems impossible for Indian parents.
Exactly, exactly. But I think that should be something that we also should start adopting, because in that way our kids will also be, learn to be independent in a very tender age itself. But that's never going to happen in India, and I'm very sure about
Uh,
that.
I also feel that.
Right, exactly.
Yes.
Yes. So what about your dreams? Has it changed drastically or was it constant throughout from your
Mhm.
childhood to your adulthood?
Mhm. Dreams, as in, I was not that kind of girl who would dream a lot, right? In my childhood also. But when our teachers used to ask her, we used to ask us, what do you want to become when you grow up? We would always say teacher, doctor, like these
Mm.
two were the common options, and we would pick anyone, right? So sometimes I would write teacher, sometimes I would write doctor, but I was not sure what I'm going to become when I grow up. So that was the thing. After that, also, I was always confused when it
What to
was
do?
time to choose that stream in
Mm.
11th class.
11 stands.
Yes, 11th grade. So that time I was still confused. Should I choose science or commerce? Arts was nowhere in the site, but I was confused between science and commerce.
Commerce.
So my parents were also not aware of these things much. They said whatever you like, right? So I'll tell you a funny story. Then I went to God, our temple inside our house, and I asked, "What should I choose? You help me. I'm really very confused, and this is going to be the biggest decision of my life, right? Choosing streams."
Exactly, exactly.
And I prayed to God that please help me. And after that, when I opened my eyes, I saw in that diya, in that fire, I
Mm.
see a letter C. And then I don't know what was it, but I saw that. I saw that. I don't know. Maybe it was just. I mean, it could be. What should I? Illusion.
Subconscious mind
A
that is
kind of.
showing you that,
Mm.
right?
Maybe somewhere deep inside, I was really inclined to commerce. Maybe that's why
Commerce.
I saw C there. Right. And then I was sure that, okay, I'm going to take commerce now. That time only I decided, okay, I'm going to choose commerce. So
What
that
a
is how
very
that
good
decision
decision,
happened.
right? So, did you regret
Right.
taking it later on?
No, no, I never regret it. Actually, I was not very studious kind of girl, right? So definitely commerce was the better option for me because when you study in science, so you need to study a lot, right? So
Exactly.
I'm really
You need to
happy
put
that
in a
I have
lot of
not chosen.
effort.
Yes, yes. After that also, as I already mentioned, I started with CA, BCom,
Mm.
and with BCom I was doing CA also. At that too, I got influenced by my friends. I was in Jodhpur back then, and there were many CAs and many people were preparing for CAs. So it was in the air. So I also got influenced, and I said, I told my father that I want to do CA, and I started off with that. It was also very expensive course, I must say, and I lived in hostel also, so extra expenses of
Oh.
hostel and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And then after clearing CPT was also cleared casually, I would say. I
Mm.
didn't do a lot of hard work there, but I cleared that
Somehow
particular
cleared
stage.
it.
Right. After that, IPCC was a bit difficult exam, and I already knew that I'll not be able to clear this exam. So I told my
Mm.
father that because I was not studious, I was not putting all my hard work there, so I didn't clear it, right, as expected. And then I left. I thought, why to waste more money on this if I'm not really interested? So I told my
Mm.
father. And then I said, I want to do MBA. So in MBA, I put all my efforts and everything because I thought that this is going to be my last option. So I have to do it really well. And after that,
Exactly.
how will I talk to my parents? It would be really embarrassing to, keep any other option in front of them that I don't
Mm-hmm.
want to do this. So I did well in my MBA, and I was the first student in my MBA batch who got placement. So
Wow.
that was really a proud moment for my parents also. But then another thing happened. I was into HR and marketing, but the
Mm.
job I got was in sales.
Oh,
Yes, that happens in most of the colleges.
yeah. You were in HR and this, and then you got in sales. Okay.
I did HR and marketing. HR was
Okay.
my main specialization, and marketing was minor. So I got a job in jeevansathi.com. Have you heard of
Mm.
this?
Yes.
It's like shadi.com. Right.
Yes.
So there we used to do a lot of calls. We would always wear headphones and take
Yeah.
calls back to back. So
Sales
that
is
was
like
really,
that.
yes,
You
that
become tired of
was
it very
hectic.
fast.
Yes, it was terrible for us and for our ears also. So after
Exactly.
6 months, I decided, no, I don't want to do this job anymore. And now I'm going to find job in HR domain only. Then we started going for interviews with my friend. We started going for interviews one after another. I got selected in every company that I went to, but then there was this one company called Q Spiders. I decided to join that one. So this is how I started my HR job.
Okay.
And after that, I switched 2 to 3 companies. And my last company was really doing well. It was MNC. It was an
Mm-hmm.
MNC, and I was getting good hike there, also good salary and everything. But then I conceived my kids, and after that,
Oh, stopped
good.
it.
Yes,
Okay.
and then I'm here.
So, how long has it been since you stopped working?
It's been around 9 years.
Mm. And then you started onto this.
Yes, and it also just happened to me. I started this
Yeah.
casually, but I'm really liking it. I'm enjoying this process. So I
Okay.
think
And
that
then,
this is my true calling.
okay. So, finally, you realized what you wanted to do in your life with
Yes,
all the
yes.
changes in your life, right? It was a big circle.
Yes,
Right.
yes.